सो हेलो गाइस। सो आज हम देखेंगे लीड कोड का 2 जुलाई का प्रॉब्लम दैट इज फाइंड के क्लोजेस्ट एलिमेंट। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड। सो पहले अपन प्रॉब्लम को पढ़ेंगे, देखेंगे कि प्रॉब्लम में क्या एक्सपेक्टेशन है, प्रॉब्लम को क्या चाहिए, एंड देन वी विल मूव टुवर्ड कोडिंग एंड देन वी विल लाइक फाइंड सम corner test cases. So first, yeah, find k closest element given a sorted integer. So you can pause the video and you can read the problem. So yeah, so let's read and let's start. Given a sorted integer array to integer k and x, return the k closest integer to x in the array. The result should be also sorted in ascending order. Okay. So they have given us the two condition as well, such that e is closer to x. If e is closer to x, if and only if any of these two condition holds. Okay. So this is the first sample case. Let's get started. So I will use this. So यहाँ पे दिया हमको एक array. So this array contains this array contain 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and we have to find four closest element to 3. So the closest elements to 3. So there are two condition that makes the element closest. Two condition. So first condition is the absolute difference between the two element should be uh, greater. So if there is element a minus x is less than b minus x, then a is greater. Like we have to choose a, and if we have condition where absolute difference between them both are same, then we have to choose the smallest one, smaller element between a and b. So here we have to choose between 3. So we first find that okay, 3 is present itself, so we will add 3 in the answer, because 3 is itself present. So we'll add 3 in the answer, then we don't have 3 anymore in our array. So let's move to the next element. So what we will do, we will check the element which is largest element, that is smaller than 3, that is 2, and the greater element, that is the smallest element, that is greater than 3, which is 4 in our case. So we have 2 and 4. So the difference between 3 and 2 is 1, and the difference between 3 and 4 is 1, absolute difference. And these two are same. And according to the condition, if these two are same, then we have to choose the smaller between A and B. So in this case, we will be choosing 2. So then we have 2 in the answer. So this is our answer set or answer list, we can say. Similarly, now we have the smaller than 3 is 1, so we will have a as 1, and greater than 3 we have 4, so 4. So the difference between 3 and 1 is 2, and the difference between 3 and 4 is 1, so we will choose 4 in the result. So result will be, so we will add this 4 in the result and we will remove it from our um, array. So now the result will contain 3, 2, 4. Now we have to find the next element, that is element which is smaller than 3 but which is like greater. Then we have to find the element which is greater than 3, smallest element greater than 3, that it is 5, and here it is 1. So the difference between 3 and 1 is 2, and the difference between 5 and 3 is also 2. As these both are same, then we have to choose the smaller one, then we will choose 1. So our answer will contain 1, 2, 3, and 4, but we have to give this answer in smallest, like we have to give this answer in uh, what gives we have to give this answer in ascending form. So the answer will be 1, 2, 3, and 4. That is our final answer. So let's try with some other input also. Yeah. So again we have our array. So this is our array. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and now we have to find 4 closest element to the element minus 1. So first of all, we don't have, like, we will find the smallest element than 1, so we don't have any smallest element which is smaller. The greatest element that is smaller than 1 we don't have. एक भी ऐसा एलिमेंट नहीं है जो -1 से छोटा है बट सबसे बड़ा है. And do we have any element? Yeah, so we have like this one we have which is greater than smallest element which is greater than -1, so we have 1 over here. So in this case, what we will do, we will directly add this one in our result set. So our result set, so this is our result set. So we will add this one into it, and then we will remove this one. Then we will find element which is greater than -1. Smallest element which is greater than -1 in this case is 2, and we don't have any element which is smaller than -1. So this is for like null. Then we will add 2 in our result set. So we are going to add 2. Similarly, we are doing this, and then we will add 3, and then we will add 4. And how many times we will add? Till we get the 4 element in this list. So it will be 3 and 4. So the answer is 4. So how to move? Like how to solve this in, so how to move forward? So what things we need to do first in order to get the result? First, what we'll do, we'll get the element lower than the x. Second, we will get the element greater than the x, and then we will find the absolute difference between, absolute difference find करेंगे both element के बीच. And if the element, the absolute difference अगर किसी का कम रहा तो वो एलिमेंट ऐड होगा रिजल्ट सेट में. अगर दोनों का एब्सोल्यूट डिफरेंस सेम रहा तो जो स्मॉलर एलिमेंट रहेगा दैट वी विल ऐड. So how to do it? Like our main motto is here, how to find the lower and the higher element. एक पर्टिकुलर एलिमेंट से लोअर एलिमेंट एंड हायर एलिमेंट कैसे फाइंड करेंगे. सपोज इफ वी हैव गिवन एन एरे 1 2 3 5 6 एंड वी आर गिवन, एंड सो अपने को 3 का element which is greater than, the smallest element which is greater than 3, and highest element like which is greatest element which is lower than 3 फाइंड करना है. तो इसमें 1 2 और रहेगा आंसर 5. तो कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? सो व्हाट वन थिंग व्हाट वी कैन डू, we can iterate through this array. Like we will check 1, then we will 2, okay, then we have encounter 3, then we can store 2, and similarly we can go from, like from the left side we can traverse and then we can do, but this will take, we go off n time for finding the lower and the higher element. So this is not the optimal way then we can do. So what we can use a tree map instead. So we can use a tree map. So what is tree map? So tree map is nothing but it's like a map only which contains the key value pair. So it contains a key value pair only, tree map. But the speciality other tree map क्या करता है? Tree map uses AVL tree, that is self-balancing tree, self-balancing binary tree. It uses self-balancing binary tree use करता है वो store करने के लिए. Suppose, so then how we will store our element? So first we will store all the elements in the array. Let's say 1 3 5 6 in this tree map, and our key will be the element and our value will be the frequency of the element. So how it look like in this tree map? So 1, let's suppose we also have 1 6 over here. Let's say it's 1 and it will be 1 3, it will be count frequency, it's 3 5 its frequency है इसकी 1 6 की frequency है 2. So this type we will store in our tree map. So in back, like how it will be stored, accordingly it will store as a balance, self balance tree it will be storing. So So why we are using tree map? So it will guarantee to give the lower or what we say ceiling and the floor in log n of time. So instead of n, we can reduce it to log n by using the tree map. So for every element, for how many times we are doing this? For k times. So our total complexity will be around k log n in this solution. So आई थिंक कि आप लोगों को समझ आया होगा क्या कहना चाहता हूँ मैं. सो हाउ विल वी डू? लेट्स ट्राई विथ एन एग्जांपल. So let's try with the example. Let's say we have an array 5 and this array is already sorted 5, 9, 10, 13, 13, 12, and I like keys are we want three closest element to the element, let's say 11. So first of all, what we will be doing, we will be storing all these element in the tree map. So the tree map will look something like this: 5, 1, 9, 0. Let's say it's 9, 1, 10, 1, 13, 2, 12, 1. So the key is the element and the frequency is the value. The frequency, like how many times the 5 occurs, 5 occur one time. 5 एक बार occur होता है, इसलिए इसकी frequency store कर रहे tree map में. Then what we will do, we will run a while loop and we will have a counter. That counter will start from 0. So while this count is less than k, what we will do, we will get the left, that is lower element, and then we will get the upper element from the map. Dot floor and map dot ceiling. So we are getting the upper and we are getting the lower element from the map, and then we are using the condition that have been given, and then from that condition, the condition that satisfy, according to that we are storing that result in our answer list. And then the condition says that here the result should be sorted in ascending order. So at the end we will return the list after sorting it. So the overall time complexity will be, so in order to create this map we are going like n times we are creating, so it will be something n log n plus we are doing this operation while loop, and while loop is running for k times, and for every operation we are finding a floor and the upper value, so it's again a log n time operation, so it will be total of n log n plus k log n. So overall we can say it k can go maximum up to n, so it will be n log n plus n log n, so it's 2 n log n, so we can say it's n log n time complexity. So it's not the optimal way to solve it. The optimal way to solve it is using binary search. I will create another video. So binary search gives us a time complexity of log of n minus k. So in this time complexity we can solve this problem. So let's get started. So I will write the code for it. पहले तो ट्री मैप बना लेंगे एक. सो दिस ट्री मैप, ये ट्री मैप स्टोर करेगा हमारा वैल्यू पेयर को, की वैल्यू पेयर। सो ये स्टेप में अपन क्या कर रहे हैं, अपन वी आर पुटिंग ऑल द वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द array to the tree map. So this will take n log n time. So we are checking if the value is already present inside the map or not. So if the map value is present, so what we will do, we will increment the value. अगर वैल्यू नहीं प्रेजेंट होंगी तो डायरेक्टली वी विल पुट इट एज 1. So this is the first step that we are doing here, that is storing all the creating a tree map from the given array. Then this is the counter that we are using to track that only k closest element we need to find. So we have to return the list. So now what we are doing, we are running a loop while c is less than k, so that we can only do this for k number of times. So this is the higher value. We are getting the ceiling of the integer, ceiling of the x की ceiling ले रहे हैं अपन. Ceiling is nothing but the value, it's included also. So if we want to have the find the value of 3, like the element which is greater, smallest element which is greater than 3, then we will use this function ceiling, and then we have to get the low. So there can be one case if there is, so we can have one edge case. Let's see, the edge case is like this. So we have only one element in our array. Let's say 1. Then it's and we pass something like -1. So we don't have any element which is less than -1. So this is one edge case that we have to handle. That's why we will handle it here. And the situation can arise if we don't have any element itself in the array. So if we have empty array, then and we pass, like we are checking it for -1. So we don't have any floor of this element, and even if we don't have the greater element than this, so this condition need to be for like handled. So if there is no ceiling value, ceiling key or no floor key, that means the array itself is null or empty, then we will directly break out from it. And if I is equal, like high is null, then directly we can store our list, and we can add our lower value in our list. So if this is the last, like if we don't have any further low value, then we will directly remove it from the hash map. And if we have frequency greater than 1, then we will reduce it by 1. If we have only 1, then we will directly remove it from the map. Similarly, we will check for low null. So we will do the same but for the other way around. So here we are handling all the like edge cases when the high and low are null, when high is null or when low is null. But if both of them have certain values, then we need to check that two condition. So if the x minus like the absolute of the high is less than the absolute of the low, then directly we will add in the list the high. It will follow the same as the second case. We will add here. Then we have else over here. The else part is when we have both the absolute and the match dot low, like the absolute value between A and B same, then we will go to the lower one. So this is this something we will follow. And one thing which we are missing here that we have to increment the C. So we will increment our C. And then what we have to do here, we have to sort the collection. And one thing I forgot, this will also take n log n time complexity. So it will be something 3 n log n if we use merge sort over here. So collection dot sort use mixture of some good algorithm, that is I don't know, like it's use bucket sort or radix sort, something it use team sort or merge sort, that it shuffles between them two. So we need to sort this. After sorting we have to return this list. So let's have a quick look what we have done here. We have taken a tree map and we are adding all these element of the element in this tree map, and then we are having a variable count, and then we have a list over here which will store the final answer. We are doing all this stuff till we like have that element equals to k in our answer, and then here we have handle the edge cases here. And then at the last, what we are doing, we are making the list sorted in ascending order as the problem require it to sort in ascending order. So okay, so it's look good. So we will try running it. So why it's not giving any answer yet? Let's check. Okay. Okay, so here we haven't added. So that's why. Yeah. Let's check. So it's not giving any answer. So let's check why. It's not. Okay, I think I have done something wrong here, or so let's check it from the start. So we have the map over here. We are iterating for the array. We are adding it into the. So this is the main step. Like debugging, we need to do many times. So okay, so this is wrong. So the condition that we have put itself is wrong. We are checking for c greater, so it should be less than k. Let's try running it one more time. Okay, yeah, it's like it's giving the right answer. Let's submit it. Okay, yeah, yes, it got executed. Yeah, so this is one way in which we can solve, but we can also solve it in less time complexity using binary search, and it gives around log of n minus k, and I will show you it in our next video. Yes, so thank you for watching.